Hi, and welcome to today's videos about what we are getting from the table perspective in reality in only Power Platform license. So, in this case, it is important to know that we are going to talk only what you are getting from the table list and what you can basically do with it when we are talking only about clean Power Platform license. So we don't have any Dynamics 365 customer engagement in the back, so we have much smaller list, but it is really useful list and it is great starting point. So as you can see here, we have one environment where we don't have basically any extra applications. So everything what we have here, it's only based on management stuff and environment settings and solution health hub. And also we don't have anything more than that. We have Contoso default environment, and from here we can go and check the tables which we are getting. So immediately when you go to the recommended tables, you can see the accounts, you can see the contacts, you can see the currencies. So you're seeing the basic tables which you're getting. Also you have the users, teams, tasks, so basically activities and the rest of it. But let's see what you really have. So I know that for the most of this list, it is only related tables, so the tables which have some standard relationship to another, so you're not accessing directly to it, but you're accessing to the data, writing in and writing out the data from some another table. But if we start scrolling down, you can see that we have really long list of the tables. So from this side, you can see that we have basically whole part of the solution. So we have every single component which is crucial to start building our own applications. And if you can see, if we continue rolling, you will see that we have a lot of tables which are just basically there out of the box, and you're able to use them and to start building something over them. What is important to know is that you have one kind of the tables which are not out of the box, and those are the tables which are basically having business process flows in standard Dynamics 365 sales or customer service or customer insights or whatever application you're using, but mostly we are referring to sales. So you're not having leads, you're not having opportunities, you're not having cases. So all of these tables are not pre-built for you. But beside that, everything what is good starting point specifically for building some small application is there. Accounts, activities, contacts, you all of them have them pre-built, and you can start using them immediately, extending, cutting, and just adjusting to the level what you need. If you want some business process flows, if you want to build some business processes, you're allowed to. So you're not just having them as pre-built, but you have every single possibility to go and build those type of tables. Also, when we go to the applications, and we are talking here about Power Apps more specifically, you are seeing possibility to build applications. So from this point, you can start building your model-driven applications or canvas applications. You have possibility to build Power Automates. You're having premium connectors. You have premium availability, so you can build as many apps as you want or automations as you want. So everything is available. You have a good starting point from the table list. But if you want to define some business processes and to define something more in detail so that you can guide users, those things you'll have to build from scratch. But again, as you know, this is low code, no code platforming tool, so it is not too complicated to build. We will maybe talk about that in some later videos, but here it is, your starting point from the tables inside of the Power Platform and the Dataverse side when you start without any Dynamics 365 CE application. Thank you, and go play around and start building your own apps. Thank you and goodbye.